हम दोस्त ना हो तेरी कोनो मकान वाले, हम दोस्त ना हो तेरी कोनो मकान वाले, हम दोस्त ना हो तेरी कोनो मकान वाले। ऐ रब्बे हर दो आलम दोनों जहान वाले, ऐ रब्बे हर दो आलम दोनों जहान वाले, ऐ रब्बे हर दो आलम दोनों जहान वाले, ऐ रब्बे हर दो आलम दोनों जहान वाले। बिन माँ my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of it. It's a very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people in their well-being and prosperity alone. Life my happiness.
Dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Rizwana. I am from class 8. Today, my national news is Kangana Ranaut gifted herself a new car amid delay in the release of emergency. She recently sold her Mumbai-Bangalore in Ferry Hill for 32 crores. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teachers, ma'am and all my dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Sainasri. I am from class 7. Today, my state news is 13 passenger Miss Army India Express flight to Singapore from Till. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sarika for state news. Teachers and all my dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Sarika Tanvi and I am from class 7. My state news is Poonch anti-terror continue army chief review security in Rajouri. Poonch defense minister likely to visit Jammu tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great day. Isba for district news.
All my dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. NDTV come provide last news from India and around the world. Get breaking news alert from India and follow today live news updating file of political. Thank you. Have a nice day. My dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. Here are some news stories that Rajouri and Jammu and Kashmir encounter on September 29, 2012. Security force and terrorists extend fire in Manhal Gali area of Thana Mandi Rajouri. The area has cooperated of the area. Think of the nice day. And all my dear friends, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. The work hard time will change itself for you. मेहनत पर कर वक्त तेरे लिए खुद को बदलने वाला है. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Atika for quotation.
To all of you, my name is Atika Mjit. Class 6 quoted. Today my quotation. Happiness is upon when you stop comparing yourself to others. खुशी तब मिलती है कि जब आप अपने तुमने दूसरे लोगों से बंद कर देते हो. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Aika for GK question.
Well, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am telling you general knowledge question answer. Who was the first woman to go in space from India? Question number 2. Who was the first president of India? What is the capital of India? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Anishba for GK question.
What is the capital of India? What is the capital of Assam? Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, first of all, a good afternoon to all of you. Today my speech about Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is a non-violent day in India. We celebrate this day as a national celebration in India. We tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rashtra Delhi. Raghupati Raghav Rajram, which is the favorite Bhajan of Gandhiji, make us feel his divine power. Children play role playing on Mahatma Gandhi. I conclude my speech. My life is my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.